Thank you for joining me in the new update for Taxpayer Access Point or TAP website. Today, we will look at some of TAP's most notable changes, and in this video, we will focus on TAP business accounts. We will start on TAP's landing page. Here we have a few panels for specific needs. The Help panel has been updated to include our new appointment scheduler. Here, you will be able to schedule appointments for in-office visits, as well as finding and managing your existing appointments. There will be separate videos for this new feature. The Payments panel is now available for making payments or enrolling into a payment plan with and without the need of a TAP logon. We'll scroll down to the Business panel, which has remained the same, and here you can apply for a New Mexico Business Tax ID number, check your New Mexico Business Tax ID status, view business location rates, update employer ID numbers, learn more about registering your business, and view tax clearance requests. Another change you will notice is Speedy the chatbot assistant has relocated to the right-hand side of the screen instead of the upper right corner. We'll scroll back up to the most noticeable change where we can see on the landing page is now the login feature on the top right. If you have a TAP logon, this is the only thing you will enter first. If you have forgotten your logon or password, you can click on the blue hyperlink Forgot Logon Password, or you can create a new logon on the Create a Logon blue hyperlink. If your business has previously registered with Taxation and Revenue Department, or TRD, you can log in with your credentials. New accounts can be created under the Apply for a New Mexico Business Tax ID as previously mentioned in the Business panel. For now, we will scroll back up and let's log into TAP by providing the credentials in the Logon feature. You will see that the password is not required on this page anymore, and after you put in your credentials, you will be moved to a new screen where you can now put in your password. If you have not set up two-step verification, you will be prompted to do so. In this case, two-step verification has already been verified and we received a 6-digit code which we will populate. Once you log in, you'll be taken to the main TAP summary page. Here, you can see all the accounts registered to your business. If we click on the Action Center tab, we'll be taken to a new screen where important messages regarding each account can be found, such as payments that are due, missing filings, and so on. Next, the Settings tab has remained the same, where you can manage your mail delivery and notifications, as well as security access on your accounts. We'll click on the More tab, which provides a few panels to manage your account. Here, you can view the Access Management, Messages, Letters, Payments and Returns, Names and Addresses, Submissions, Registering Tax Accounts, File Upload, Corporate Officers, and Business Credit Transfers. Let's go back to the main page by clicking on the Summary tab, or you can click at the top center that says Taxpayer Access Point or TAP. You will notice on each individual account there are a few other options that you can click on. We will have separate videos for the filings, returns, the making payments, and requesting refunds. Lastly, on the top right, you can click on Manage My Profile, the Profile tab provides information on your account, such as your username, your name, email, and phone number. Another new update you will find is the Security tab has now been placed in its own panel. Here, you can manage how you sign in, and you can change your security questions. We'll click on the Action Center, which will display any important messages that need to be read. We'll click on the More Profile options, which provides access for managing your profile, such as the Access Management. Here, you can add access to another account, manage my access, manage third-party access, or delete my profile. Thanks for watching, and be sure to watch our other TAP videos on our channel for more information.